Hey cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nica Jess and I'm back with another video. This channel I do lifestyle challenges and vlogs. So if that's what you're into, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload another video. Guys, in today's video, guys, I see a trend going on about this movie, the Squid Game, which I've watched. It's very interesting. It's very interesting, guys. It's a series. It's very interesting. It's about people who are like kidnapped or abducted, and they're brought somewhere and they have to play a game. And in this game, there's different challenges. They do tug of war. They do the candy game, and so you might be guessing what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna be making the candy in that Squid Game. So let's go. I'll be making the candy in that the Squid Game movie that I saw, and I've seen a lot of videos on it. So I bought sugar. I have a pan right here, stove burner right here, yes, and I've seen people use white sugar and brown sugar, but I got brown sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing it with brown sugar. I maybe will try and get some white sugar and do a next video and do it with white sugar, but in this video I'm gonna be doing it with brown sugar. So these are what I'm gonna be using. This is the sugar, this one is the wax paper, and the baking soda. So guys, I couldn't find different shapes. I couldn't find the triangle, the square. Damn, Lucia sucks. So I only got circles. So I'm gonna be putting different sizes in the circles. There's gonna be big ones, medium size, and small ones. And in the next video, guys, I'm gonna be doing it with my friends where they have to try and break the shape out of the cookie. Trending on YouTube lately, so I decided, why don't I make one? Let's see how this goes. So right now I'm gonna be trying to turn on the stove. Okay guys, let me put your pan right up there. Yes, ma'am. Got some water in it. You got it? Okay, put it. So guys, I got the brown sugar. This is what I got, the brown sugar. And you pour, so like in all the videos I've watched, you pour the sugar in the pot. Why is it foaming? Okay, you pour it in the pot. I'm gonna put this on the side. This is making some heat. Oh, it's too hot. Lower down the heat. Okay. The pot had some water in it, guys. So guys, here's the sugar. I placed the sugar in there, and so I just need to let the sugar melt. Come closer, come see. So right now it's making this. Right now I just need to let it melt, guys. I maybe think the white sugar would have been better, but I couldn't find any white sugar because there recently was a shortage of sugar in St. Lucia. So now I'm using brown sugar. So let's see how it goes. Ooh, it's melting. It's melting. So guys, I'm gonna just open up my stuff right there so that it won't give me trouble when the time comes. I gotta cut. Okay, stop it now. Guys, so I gotta cut. I put some tissue on it. So come and see how it's melting, guys. It's melting. The sugar is melting, guys. So guys, the sugar is almost done melting. I just need to just take out the big chunk in there. There's a lot of big chunks. So I want the big chunks to melt, guys. I want the big chunks to melt. so I'm trying to break it up. Guys, so I cut my finger. It's not too bad. Just put some tissue on there. I need to find a plaster. Baking powder. I need to put just a little bit of the baking soda in there, guys. But I want the sugar to completely melt, but there's no. Okay, guys, the sugar is completely melted. You can see it's completely melted. There's not too much chunk in there. So I'm gonna add the baking powder now. It says not to add too much baking powder, guys. So just a little bit. I think that's enough. I'm gonna mix and mix and mix and mix the macaroni. See, guys, the color changes when you add the baking soda. The color changes, guys. You see? The color completely changed, guys. Ooh, guys, they're good to go. Okay, sure, in there. I'm gonna be pouring it down on this side, guys, on the wax paper right here. My fingers, I think the blood dried up, so it's good now. So. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do another one. And I'm gonna do another one here. Guys, this is actually candy, you know, they're actually candy. So you could actually eat this, guys. So it's a candy. Ooh. So guys, I'm gonna let this settle for a while. It needs to cool down, and after it cools down, guys, I'm gonna put this in it, but that one looks like it's too big, so I'm gonna probably use the smaller ones. Oh, don't mess it up, don't mess it up. I'm gonna probably use the smaller one, so maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. So this one is much better, so I'm gonna be using this one, but they need to cool down first. I'm gonna let them cool down, and then I'm gonna use this to make the shapes in there. Okay, see you guys in a while. Cool enough already. I'm gonna try and see if it's gonna make the shapes. I don't want it to get too dry and then it can't make the shape. So there's one. Oh, this one wasn't ready. This one wasn't ready at all. So guys, I'm gonna leave this in there. They're not ready yet. So okay. This one I attempted to do failed. So now I'm attempting to do these. So I'm gonna take my time and make the round part. So these. Oh, no! Come on! Okay, yay! This one is a part, guys. This one came out a little okay, I think. Guys, they're still hot, and I'm trying to make the hole in there, but they're still hot. Okay. Ah, the side stick. Okay, guys. So this one, I'm gonna give this one a pass. Let's try the other one. It's still hot. And make the circle and. Come on. Ghana, you should be helping the struggling. Oh, okay. Guys, the first batch. Okay, let's try this one. And it's the taking out part that's difficult. Okay. Let's see this side. No. This one is not ready to come out, so I'm gonna leave it in. So guys, these two came out okay. So these are just the first was a fail. Only, well, these are a little good. These are a little good. But it was still a fail, so I'm gonna be doing a second batch, and hopefully I let it cool down and that it makes the shape. So let's go. How the first one came out. I find it came out okay. So this is it right here. There's 3 of them. I find they came out okay for the first try. But the wax paper stayed at the back of it, but it's okay. So these are how the first ones came out. This, I really wish that I got more of the shapes so I could do the star and then the umbrella and then a heart. But maybe in the next video, guys, I'll try to get the different shapes and I'm gonna do a next video for you guys, okay? Just make sure you like and you subscribe to my channel, okay? Doing a second batch. I really hope that the second batch comes out good. These are the first 3 that I made. I'm putting these on the side right here. I really hope the second batch comes out better. So, check this out. There, okay. Ready? On low. Put it on low, put it on low. Okay. Got this one. Okay. So guys, the second batch, fingers crossed that this batch comes out perfect. I'm not sure, maybe it's the shapes the plastic shapes that's the problem. I'm not sure, but stay tuned. The second batch actually melted a little faster, but the second, I didn't go there, the second batch, oh yeah, I went there, forgot. So the second batch, guys, is melting a little faster than the first one, but let me put this on low. I don't want it to burn. Then I'm gonna cry if it burns. So guys, it has some chunks in there. I'm trying to take out the chunks like the first time. This one didn't have much chunks like the first one, so fingers crossed that this one comes out good. Even the spoon has a lot of sugar left out. Okay guys, I think that's, oh, stop felting up again. For this one quick because it almost burnt. It had too much heat. I don't want it to burn. No, don't burn. Okay, the next one there. The next one over there. Guys, this is because it had too much heat. And it almost burned on. It almost burned. Luckily it didn't burn, guys. So luckily it didn't burn. But it almost did. So guys, I made 4 again. Hopefully these come out. This one is burned, guys. These came out so wrong. That's my best, okay? These didn't come out how I thought it would come out, but who knows? Let's wait and see. But this one is out because it's all crumbled up. While I wait for the second batch to pull up, I'm gonna be trying to break this out and get the shape. So ooh, okay. Alright. Take this side out. Beautiful. Ooh, yeah. I'm winning. Okay. This out. This paper got stuck behind them. Take this out. And there you go, guys. The circle. I think, guys, the circle is one of the easiest ones. The circle, and I think maybe the triangle. But when I get the other shapes, guys, I'm gonna be doing them with more of the shapes, so that we'll see which one is the most difficult one. But I got this one out correctly. Woo. Guys, so I should have used the metal, I stole my sister metal cover from her jar that she does her chum, and so I used this instead of using these, and it came out much better. They came out much better. So guys, I think this one was a pass. What do you think? Comment down below if it was a pass, and comment down below if you want to see me do more of this with different shapes. And I'm gonna be doing a challenge with my friends to see who can break these apart. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, guys, I really had fun making these candies from the Squid Game, and if you haven't watched this movie, guys, go watch it now on Netflix. Well, it's a series. Go watch it now on Netflix because it's very interesting. And these cookies was recommended from the movie, so I decided to make it. So guys, don't forget to like and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a crazy video like this one. Bye.